A skater took 2 minutes 30 seconds to complete a 1,500-meter race. What was the skater's average speed? Okay, for this problem, first we need to take a look at what we have here. We have the time that it took, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So the skater took 2 minutes and 30 seconds to complete a race, and the race was 1,500 meters long. So we have a distance. And to solve this problem, first we want to figure out what the rate was, and then we need to figure out what the unit rate, because we want to figure out the average speed, and speed is measured in a unit rate, like miles per hour or meters per second. And so in order to figure out the rate, we need to, we just want two unit measurements. And you'll see that in the 2 minutes 30 seconds, that actually has two different units of measurement already. We have minutes, and we have seconds. So we want to make this so that it's just one unit of measurement. So 2 minutes 30 seconds. Well, let's convert that to seconds. Well, 2 minutes, each minute 60 seconds. So 2 minutes is going to be 2 times 60, which is 120. So you have 120 seconds, and then you also have your 30 seconds here. So that's going to total 150 seconds. So we have our time, and then we have our distance, which is already in one unit of measurement. And now we can write our rate. It's going to be meters per second. So it's going to be 1,500 meters. 1,500 meters over 150 seconds. Okay, now, with that, we have our rate. So we have our rate. What we want is a unit rate, which means that the denominator is going to be 1 second. A unit rate means the denominator is one for that unit of measurement. So 1 unit, 1 second. So in order to do that, in order to change the denominator to 1, we're going to have to divide it by 150. And in order to write an equivalent expression, an equivalent fraction, we'll also have to divide the top by 150. So we'll divide the bottom by 150, and we'll also divide the top by 150. Now it's important that when you rewrite your problem, you make sure to keep your units along with the numbers, because our final unit ratio, it's going to be important that we have our units. So we have 1,500 divided by 150, which is going to be 10. 10 times 150 is 1,500. So 1,500 divided by 150 is 10. And then 150 divided by 150, well, that's just 1. So we're left with 10 meters per 1 second. And you could also write that as 10 meters per second, like that. Or you can write it out as 10 meters per second. And they're all valid. But that's how you solve a word problem like this. You first need to find the rate. First you find the rate, and then you find the unit rate.